Hi, Baldy vlogger here. I'm moving today. I'm moving from this place behind me, Baan Homestay, to Sylvana Pai. So I'm going to show you the way, just in case you stayed at both. So I don't know how I missed this place, but they got fresh fruit smoothies, coffee, Chinese soda, milkshakes, Thai iced tea here, right below accommodation. It's only 30 baht. That's like 70p, 70, 80p or something. Very good, very good. There we go. Mango lemonade, tropical mango coconut. This is the way. This is the way to Amarillo. I'm sleeping on my pillow. I think that's the wrong word, Zillow. Anyway, this is the way to Sylvana Pai. Down Walking Street. This is how far we go. Follow me. Dun, 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 dun. Over there, you have the cash machines in exchange. Opens at 11 a.m. I don't know why I'm singing. I'm not even singing, but I don't know why I'm trying to make a tune doing this. I have no idea. Let's find Sylvana Pai. Let's go on the other side of the road so I can see if anyone's going to knock me down instead of knocking me down from behind. Here's the bus station. Busy place at a bus station. So if you get off a bus, when you get a bus, you'll come there. And from there,
See you, bye bye.
see you, bye bye. I'm just arriving. Bye bye. Arriving to Sylvana Pai. So let's go. I think it's around this corner. Around this corner is the next one. Next one. We carry on down past the temple. I think it's a temple in there. I'll go past there. Past the tourist police place. When you're up and you're down, baby, take a good look around. Yes, I'm going to be on X Factor soon. One day, when they realise how talented I am. Once they put that voice thing, they can make anyone sound good, apparently. Still Christmas decorations around the place. I think it's 9th of January. Yes, it is. Got my sister's birthday tomorrow. Happy birthday, sister. Have you watched this? Which might be later than the 10th of January when your birthday is, but at least you'll eventually get it. I'll carry on walking. Wait, what, to see me? My arm's aching. My arm's sore. Arm's aching. All I'm doing is pushing a flipping suitcase. I need to start playing darts. I'll get that arm fit. I'm talking up. I mean, I'm talking beep. So it's quite a walk. Well, it's not actually. But, you know, they do some... If you want to be tenure in Vietnam, you can get some banh mi here. That is pronounced it, I'm not sure, but they call... I need to try it. Open 12 o'clock. Those are different kinds. It's always busy in there. Laundry's cheaper here. It's only 35 there. We get cheaper laundry at this place. Right, so you turn around here at the next chapel. Chapel? It's not a chapel. What do you call it? A mosque? What do you call it? Oh, my brain's gone. Never mind. Right, so you carry on past it anyway. We've got a box there saying tip for music. Nobody even asked them to play any music. A couple of monkeys, don't know where they're going, don't know where they're looking or listening. And here we have a jazz house right next to the accommodation. Every night from 7 p.m. Bring your own food. Bring your own food. How's about that then? How's about that? Oh, good. Oh, I just got shot. They'll say you're too early, but that's okay. We know we're too early. Just dropping cases off. Swimming pool's got there. It's got the sun on it. Oh goodness me. Hey. And here we are. Happy New Year. 10:38. Hello. We know we're early. We just leave our cases. If it's okay.
What's your name?
With these trips. Sunset 100 baht, Mr. Suki. Cave trip. Stroller taxi. 1 day rafting. Pai to Chiang Mai. Superb. The 1 o'clock, but we can sit at the pool. Let's show you the pool. There we go. That's a lovely pool. And it's sunny in the morning up there. It's the cat. Yes, so I shall switch this off for now, which you won't even know because when I switch it back on, I'll be in the same place. Ha! See, clever me. Right, see you soon. Right, we're going this way. So I'm back again, heading into the room. They're letting us come in early. The cat doesn't want to move. Sorry, cat. Oh, it's hurting me. Fingers. Hopefully it's not too far. Right, this is far enough. Oh. And here we are. Room B5. Thank you.
Half and right side in the room hide it off. You morning you want canning room, canning in 4 room.
Cleaning.
Inside, outside.
Outside, okay. All right, okay, let's have a look at this new room. This is just over 1,000 a night, which is like 25 quid per night. Let's go and have a look. There's 2 singles. I'm sure you can get a double, but there's 2 singles. The fridge, 2 bottles of water every day. Kettle, instant tea and coffee, Wi-Fi. Small TV. Don't watch TV. Oh, get towels for the swimming pool, that's good. Hang on, I'll do a bed test in a minute. Towels for swimming pool, slippers. And in here we have some shower caps. Don't think I need them. Bit of soap and some earbud things. There's a shower. It's all grid one and the normal one, so that'll be all right if the water's hot. Let's have a look, see if it. Power. Oh, that's the wrong. How do you turn the other one off? I'm not sure. So it's okay. I mean, it's 25 quid. Can't complain. Right, let's do it. Oh, we've got some elephants. Or whatever they're meant to be. I don't know what they're meant to be, actually. But anyway. That's it. 25 quid. And here's your view. Not a pool view, but pool. Well, actually, I can see the pool right in the corner. I've ruined him already. Bed test. Oh well, it's a bit softer than the last one. A bit softer than the last one. Last one was a bit hard to woke up. Was all back, but slept alright anyway in the last one. It was good. Yeah, a bit softer. I mean, soft for Thailand, it's soft because they like our beds, mattresses in Thailand. So anyway, that's it. That's your what do you call it? Hotel. Is it a hotel? Yeah, room review. Still, so this is away from our room. B5 to the swimming pool, which I shall test out. There's lots of tortoises here. As you see, look, that one's called Freddie, and that one over there is called Tommy. So walking straight is 2 minutes up there, as you saw when I came down Pai River. To the left, walking straight to the right, and pull straight in front. Ah, there we are. Wonder if this works. There's no buttons to press. Let's jump in it. No, I'm not going to test the temperature, I'm just going to jump in.
Okay, let's go. Yeah, I'm coming. Died for like years every week. Oh my god, that flipping breathing. Oh, I'm cold. Come on. Let's go to. I need to get out. I need to get out. Those steps to get out.
That is freezing. So that's it. That's hotel for that. We'll do it. So bye.